guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here. I hope that you all had an amazing Thanksgiving and you're having a wonderful Black Friday. What are y'all doing? Let me know down in the comment section. My hair currently looks a mess and I need to get it together before we go Black Friday shopping, so we're gonna do it together. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you all a unit from Geniuswigs. I love their crystal lace, and this one is another crystal lace unit, but it's a longer length this time. The last time I showed you guys a bob style and it was so gorgeous. You all absolutely loved it, but this one is in length 20. Some of you all asked to see what their regular lengths look like, so I'm showing you all that today. This unit is also in 180% density, and this texture is the wet and wavy texture. It is so stunning. It can be worn straight with a blown out look that's super soft and looks so natural, or you can wear it curly. So that's the great thing about these wet and wavy units. You essentially get 2 wigs for the price of 1, which is so awesome. So if you're looking for some great hair during the Black Friday sales, I'd highly recommend that you snatch one of these up. So you all already know that I cannot wait to try the unit on. This is a stocking cap that I've already pre-cut the band off of in the front. I showed you guys how to do that in my last video. I'm putting the stocking cap on now, and then I'm gonna try the unit on. Now, something to note about crystal lace is that it looks very natural and it will create a skin melt appearance. However, it is very thin. So with this particular lace, you do need to do the ball cap method in order for it to look as natural as possible. As you can see, the wig cap as is just not working. It's peeking through and it doesn't look natural. But y'all, this hairline is absolutely amazing. It's one of the most natural hairlines that I've seen, and I work with a lot of wigs. This is where the hair falls on me. I absolutely love this length. Y'all, this is my goal length. Why can't my hair just get here tomorrow? It's taking forever. So right now I'm going to show you all a comparison of 3 different types of lace. I'm going to show you brown regular lace, I'm going to show you transparent lace, and also the crystal lace. And you'll be able to see right away how much more realistic and natural the crystal lace is. It's going to melt so much better, and it's going to actually appear invisible.
This is a chance to take back what we missed. We've been tied down to a place we were never meant. Up against it, all out on the run. Leave it all behind to find another one.
So yeah, y'all, crystal lace for the win. And disregard all the burns on my arm. I need to stay away from the air fryer. It keeps messing me up. I need to start putting on mittens, but nevertheless, that's neither here nor there. Let's move on. Now I'm placing the unit on my mannequin head so that you all can get some of this good hairline realness. It looks so great. I'm showing you all from all angles, and I'm going to show you guys how I tint the lace. I've been using the Sephora powder lately, and I feel like it does a really great job, but be sure to wipe it off with a rag, or you can use a makeup wipe, but a dry cloth is actually better.
My faith rising. I'm crawling out the trenches, holding me.
All right, now that we've tinted the lace, I'm going to get into the ball cap method. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I kind of want to try the pantyhose method that tastePINK showed in her recent video. That seemed like it would be so much better for this type of lace. I'll link the video down below so that you guys can get an idea of what I'm referring to, but I need to buy some pantyhose for sure, because I feel like the stocking cap under would be so much more undetectable and look more scalp-like. Now this method does work really well, but I feel like the wig cap might be a little too thick.
My life is only priceless. Hey, ain't no purchasing when it comes to me. Wake up ready to conquer my day. I gotta put in work until I perspirate. I'm tunnel vision till I reach the pearly gates. I'm trying to stack a couple racks in the safe, I done made it this far. I'ma keep it pushing, yeah. Even made it through the pain of a scar. I'm done with restrictions. Limits is just another boundary. I don't need those kinds of vibes even around me. No, gotta hang with real ones, stay surrounded. When I make it to the top, it'll be astounding.
I'ma get it right. I'ma see my dreams come to life. When I spend my wings and fly. My wings and fly. Young legend, so esteemed. All praise to Elohim. When I spread my wings and fly.
y'all, so now that I've completed the ball cap method and cut the lace off in the front, I'm going to proceed to install the unit. This color match looks really good, and I do want to mention that this lace is great for all skin tones. You can actually tint it if you'd like to better match your skin tone, or leave it as is, which is really awesome. I also love that the hairline is consistent from ear to ear. Not all hairlines have been pre-plucked from ear to ear to create the most natural look possible. The way that it's been done really makes it look like it grew out of your scalp. And did y'all see how far the parting extends? Y'all, I am here for it. It's super long. So now we're gonna melt the lace using the bedhead spray. This is a super easy process. I'm gonna allow you all to watch, and then I'll come back on when we move on to the next step.
Some gon' think I'm crazy. Some gon' think I'm crazy. Some gon' think I'm wavy. That's a fact. The gift won't be degraded. The glow up gon' be amazing. Oh yeah, amazing. When I plant the seed, I get the fruit. Ayy. Took a little while to get the drip and let it loose. Ayy. Love and care with everything that I produce. Ayy. I ignore what you're saying if it's a roast. Ayy. Wow. I done made it this far. I'ma keep it pushing, yeah. Even made it through the pain of a scar. I'm done with restrictions. Limited just another boundary. I don't need those kinds of vibes even around me. No, gotta hang with real ones, stay surrounded. When I make it to the top, it'll be astounding, astounding.
If I'ma get it right. I'ma see my dreams come to life. When I spend my wings and fly. My wings and fly. My wings and fly. My wings and fly. Yeah. Young legend, so I stay. All praise to Elohim. When I spend my wings and fly. My wings and fly. If I'ma get it right. I'ma see my dreams come to life. When I spread my wings and fly. My wings and fly. Young legend, so I stay. All praise to Elohim. When I spread my wings and fly. My wings and fly.
Fly high. Big fella.
Y'all, this looks so gorgeous. And if you were to actually use your flat iron, you could cause the hair to look more straight and silky and actually like a silk press. But I was more so going for the blown out look. I really like the way that looks. I did go in with my hot comb, and that was just to get the crimps out of the hair that was from the packaging. But once again, you could use your flat iron if that's what you desire. But y'all, I am loving this look. It looks so great.
Just vibing, ayy, coolin', sippin' on Kool-Aid, ain't tryna hurt nobody. Yeah, some folks out here really looking like Bevo Light. Pride swelling up their head, bigger than they whole body. That's gonna be your problem. Selfishness tried to get some mileage. Had to change my ways cause I was out here wildin'. Making dumb decisions, used to be so constant. Hey, but God was out here watching my back, had to fix my noggin. Ooh. I've been blessed for most of my life. Oh, been given grace for the times I wasn't right. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. I'm disregarding every ceiling. I don't think I'll ever shake this feeling. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh.
Y'all, this is one of the most natural wigs ever. But wait for it. It gets better. It gets so much better, y'all.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'ma keep the groove like Cusco. Flow colder than Pluto. I was tryna kick it like judo. I was for the liver for the kudos. Wrestling feel like sumo. I'ma write hits like Bruno. Shoot my shot like Juno. Done with the games, no uno. Hey, I shine bright like diamonds. My style, you can't find it. A new A-soul is what I am. God's who I confide in. I find true delight in seeing people smiling. It means unity's in the air. No, we ain't divided. Oh, I've been blessed for most of my life. Oh, been given grace for the times I wasn't right. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
see all of this magic? This is what I mean. This is a 2-in-1 wig. So you can wear it blown out and you can wear it curly. And the curls are so juicy. The hair is so soft and beautiful and luscious. It's just a win-win.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm disregarding every ceiling. I don't think I'll ever shake this feeling. Oh my gosh, 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 hey, oh my gosh, yeah, oh my gosh, yeah. Oh yeah, it's a bop, oh yeah, it's a bop, oh yeah.
I am obsessed. This looks so great. I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. This unit looks so amazing. The crystal lace on this wig has less obvious knots, which mimic your real scalp. It also is soft, ventilated, and more durable than HD lace, which is pretty awesome. It looks so natural in its curly state as well as in its blown out state. And if you want to revert it back, you would simply just need to flat iron it again. But I hope that you all have enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also check the description box for all the links and specifications for this unit. The Black Friday sale details will be provided down below. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Happy holidays!